Welcome once again. I'm very excited to meet you to continue with our IT training. Today we are going to discuss and see live how we can create a file. Files are very important in your IT lessons. You will need them the most. So let's see how we can create a file. We are using the desktop here as our work area. So how do you create a file? It's similar to creating a folder, as we discussed in one of our videos. Right-click the empty space here, that is on the desktop. Then you go to New, and this time we are not going to pick folder, but any of these are files. But let us use Microsoft Word as a file that we want to create. So let's click on it. After clicking on it, it brings the Microsoft Word here. Then it has given us a default name, but we don't want a default name like this. We want to type a name that we want and we require. So let me say application letter. So after typing it, just like we created a folder, we press the enter on the keyboard. After pressing it, it has saved it for us. Let me move it up here so you can see it more clearly. So this is the file that we just created. So as a demonstration, or as I repeat, click on the empty space of the desktop, go to New, then come to Microsoft Word to create it for you, like this. Let me delete it. So that is how to create a file. If it is not Microsoft Word that you want to create, let's say something different. Let's say this time you want to use Excel. We just click on the Excel. We have read text formats. We have publisher, access, maybe an image or whatever. So let's use Microsoft Excel worksheet as an example to create another file. So we click on it, then you can write, let's say, monthly budget. I press on the enter to save it. Yes. So we have created two files just now. And that is how to create a file. I'm just using the desktop so that it will not confuse you. But as we continue our training, we will not do everything on desktop. We'll be moving to the inside the computer itself, maybe on the C drive or inside my documents. But how we are creating them now on the desktop, that's the same process we go through when we are creating a file inside your documents or inside the computer itself, which later I will show you. So thank you very much. And this is how to create a file.